was wondering if there are so many laundry services on my street, that means there's something about laundry. Okay, my name is Ayo Tukura. I've been in sales for about 18 years, as a matter of fact. I started from the hospitality industry, and then I moved over because I didn't like the regular salary job. I wanted something bigger. So I moved over to selling timeshare in the direct sales industry. From there, I sold timeshare for about 5 years. And then I moved to selling cookware, very expensive cookware. I go from houses to houses to show people how this cookware work. And then I realized that a lot of the people I try to sell to, they complain of finances, the money, how expensive the products are. And then I started thinking, perhaps I could bring out a product that is a little bit cheaper, and a lot of people that has a lot of appeal. So I noticed on my street then, we had about 5 laundry services, and I was wondering if there are so many laundry services on my street, that means there's something about laundry. The market is there, I just have to do it a little bit different. And that's how I decided to use direct sales, to blend direct sales with laundry services. And that's how I came about Total Life Concept. With Total Life Concept there, it encompasses all the services that we use on a regular basis. Services like cleaning services, gym and fitness services, car hire services, the whole general services, personal services industry. That's where Total Lifeline is cutting into, to help people save a lot of money on these services, and also to convert the amount of money that they spend, their expenses on this industry, to convert it into an investment whereby it starts generating them income on a regular basis. Well, basically, that's an interesting question. No, well, there is a little bit of accounting in my course. I actually studied business administration, and there's a cost accounting, there's so many accounting, and I think it actually came from there as well. Okay, that's a great question. Basically, you see, one of the challenges we face is after the service, especially when you go to deliver in people's homes. After they've collected the clothes, they tell you, sorry, network problem, they can't make transfer. And then when you go back, you start chasing them until they have another laundry for you to pick up. That's when they remember they've not paid you. Exactly, that's basically the challenges we face. Other than that, the laundry in the laundry and cleaning industry is actually a profitable one. Okay, well, that's one of the reasons why I came up with this. Instead of you pay as you go, you actually make an annual payment for a membership. Because once you make the annual payment, I'm not in the business of chasing you for money. So once you make this annual payment, I'm only responsible to deliver the services for that 1 year. Very, very simple. What I've done is I've actually blended the laundry and cleaning industry with direct sales industry. Now, so that when you refer somebody, you actually get a commission for that referral. Yeah, I know about some big laundry, but we're not about all those kind of big laundry cleaning, and we're actually about promoting investment for our customers, so that this amount of money, you see, when I used to run just the laundry, I have customers that pay as much as 50,000 naira on a monthly basis. And I decided, instead of collecting 50,000 naira on a monthly basis, why don't you just pay this big money in bulk for 1 year? And when you make this money in bulk, you'll be able to save a lot of it, because at the end of the year, you don't actually pay what you're supposed to pay if you are breaking it down. And then you get a certain number of clothes being done for you on a monthly basis. And on your birthday, we also surprise you with a birthday cake, depending on the level of membership that you pick. So we try to do some maybe monthly birthday parties for those of our members that are born in that month. And that will also encourage them, also help them promote their laundry business, because now it's not just our laundry business, it's their laundry business as well. Okay, I know the laundry business is something that if you mess up with customers' clothes, something that they discover almost immediately. So what I do is I'm building a very strong customer service base, or let's say member service base, whereas on a regular basis, we are on the phone with you. Whatever occasion you're having, we want to be there. We want to know. We want to be part of your family. So we have we're building a customer service department that is going to make sure that we are with you on a regular basis. Okay, that's a very good question. You see, from my school days, from childhood days, I've always thought one day I'm going to start a business, and that business, there must be life in the name. And so when I started thinking about the name for my company, I wanted to encompass most of the services that has to do with their daily life. And that's how I came up with Total, which is a lot of encompassing all the services that they use, Total Life Concept. So that's how I came up with the name Total Lifeline Concept. We have field surveyors that go out on the street to get people's opinion on how they currently do with their utilities, the services they consume. And then based on their feedback, we contact them and invite them to see our presentation. And so they can see how our presentation can actually help them cut down their costs and also help them generate a passive income on a monthly basis. Right now, we're only on the offline. If we're going to merge offline and online and the branding aspect of it, it's going to put us more in the limelight. A lot of people will know about us and perhaps contact us to see how they can benefit from our services. Yes, definitely. We're doing collaboration with gyms. We're doing collaboration with even some other laundry outlets. We're doing collaboration with spas and barbing saloon, because this is part of the total life that we are giving to our customers. And we're also doing, on the marketing aspect, we're also planning on doing some collaboration with marketing agencies. That's a fantastic question. Basically, there's nowhere in the world, or let me just bring it down to Nigeria, there's nowhere in Nigeria where clothes are not being worn. There's nowhere that clothes are not being cleaned on a regular basis. So we want to see in the next 2-3 years how we can actually put this out to the whole of Africa to also benefit from this. Definitely. As a matter of fact, statistics shows that the laundry and cleaning industry in the year 2027 is going to be about $55 billion industry. So there's a lot of opportunity in the laundry industry. More people are going to get busier, and the busier they get, the more they want to outsource their laundry. So instead of just outsourcing it and paying for it, now you can actually own it yourself by being a member of the laundry club. Basically, the strategy is to make it a fractional ownership, use the fractional ownership concept to get people to invest in the laundry industry. It's going to be like a side hustle, like a side business for people that are already consuming these services. So when it becomes a side business for you, I mean, you can be in your daily 9 to 5 job, and at the same time, you are making money on the side with your laundry businesses. We're actually looking at making more people laundrypreneurs than just being laundry users. Well, what I will say to them is it's a lucrative industry. They should do what they have to do. They should come up with innovative ways of pushing that services out more and more. It's a lucrative industry for sure. More people are going to get busy, especially in the urban areas where you go to work in the morning and come back late in the night, you stay in traffic here and there. More people are going to be needing the laundry services. So my advice for young people coming up, thinking about starting a laundry business, they should get innovative and see how they can be different from all the laundries we have out there, just to see what the place is like. And since then, it has been my office. I've worked like I've never done before, trying to put the presentation in order. And honestly speaking, I've enjoyed every minute I've spent here. They help you arrange your social media handles. Every single thing about your business, they are right behind you.